Good day, sir. My name is Vian Carl Rizalado from Grade 10 Lycetea, and this is my presentation about earthquake. What is earthquake? Earthquake is the result of a sudden release of stored energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. At the Earth's surface, earthquakes may manifest themselves by a shaking or displacement of the ground. Sometimes they cause tsunamis, which may lead to loss of life and destructions of property. Speaking of earthquake, way back October 2019, there's a series of strong shallow earthquakes struck the province of Cotabato and vicinity. There's earthquake occurred on October 16, 7:37 p.m. at magnitude of 6.3. October 29, 9:04 a.m. and 10:42 a.m. at a magnitude of 6.6 and 6.1. And last, October 31, 9:11 a.m. at magnitude of 6.5. October 29 and 31 was raised to 24 deaths with 563 people injured and 11 still missing at that time. Remember that there is an instrument used to record the motion of the ground, and that is called seismograph. Seismograph is an instrument used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake, as the seismograph shakes under the mass. The recording device on the mass records the relative motion between itself and the rest of the instrument, thus recording the ground motion. Before I will end my presentation, always remember that there are important things to do during earthquake, and these are do's and don'ts. Drop the ground. Take cover by getting under a sturdy table or other piece of furniture and hold on until the shaking stops. Stay away from the glass, windows, outside doors, and walls, and anything that could fall, such as lighting fixtures or furniture. Stay in bed if you are there when the earthquake strikes. And these are the informations I gathered about earthquake. That's all. Thank you.